Previously on The Family Who Builds. We might as well count, I think it's counting something like 2 foot. A tree has fallen on this house. So it fell from the back of the property all the way down and ultimately broke the trusses, took a beam out, has damaged a deck. And this has been, it's been dried in. So there's been some work that's already been done on this house.
So Pops,
Yeah,
they flipped our truss stack over.
I know.
Okay.
So let's get it.
So we have to flip it all back.
Yeah. Yeah, they flipped our. They got us, didn't they?
You ready?
Yeah. Yep.
You good?
Yeah. That's what I was saying, Donnie, the whole time.
Yeah, the whole time.
The whole time. Oh, Lordy Lord.
I told you it was heavy. So I've been saying the whole time.
The whole time. You got that? Ready?
Yep.
So here's where a little magic happens. This is where we're going to lay out the trusses in order to set it with a crane. Now I'm marking up 4 foot, 8 foot, and 12 foot, pulling from the bottom cord. Now this is going to allow us to straighten the gable at the plywood seams. Now I need to mark this top so that I can come down the other side of the gable. I'm going to get the tape measure out and I'm measuring both sides. I'm going to mark those measures on this side as well. And it also indicates to me what our top ripper is going to be so we can save that material and not scrap it. Now in this situation, the top ripper is going to be about 15 inches. Now I'm driving an 8-penny nail and I'm going to hook a tape measure to it. I'm going to take this tape measure, I'm going to run down 4 foot and I'm going to set ahead. I'm going to run down 8 foot, set ahead 3.5 inches, and I'm going to mark 12 foot and I'm going to set ahead 3.5 inches. Now the spacing between these trusses is going to allow me to run our sheeting so that a 3-foot starter works as well as a 5-foot starter. So it'll be one cut on a sheet of plywood. Now the spacer is going to come down the bottom as well. We start 1 foot from the edge and we fall back. I hook from there and I'm going to mark 4 foot, set ahead. Mark all the way down the bottom of the truss, and that's going to allow our spacing to be in place, which is going to allow our trusses to be set with a crane. And this is just super important.
Let's put this one within the foot so we can make the turn on that beam. So Donnie, if you want to give me a hand laying this out.
I know man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way.
Going slowly. Yeah, I think we're going to get it just fine. I think this is what a dentist feels like.
Something like this, yeah.
Whoa, Matt.
Whoa, buddy.
Yeah.
Painful. We got some.
Okay, Matt, it's rolling to you. You holding?
Yeah, I got it.
Do you want me to?
Okay, I can hold a little bit. I don't have much. It's not that, you're not at that point, I don't think. Okay, you are.
I was at that point.
Okay.
I know man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel as I reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out to the sky. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark, against it all, made through the day, 'cause I found my way, I found my way.
Send her on down. I probably could have caught it.
I know man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out to the sky. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark, against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark, against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way.
So is that good? I guess.
Yeah.
Cool.
What?
Donnie's gonna buy us a new staple gun at the end of the day. Isn't that right?
You ever seen the manual? That's actually how you're supposed to shoot.
Oh yeah?
Did you know that?
No, I don't believe any of it.
Oh, well, you could probably read the manual.
No, I'm just lying.
I'll get this back. Oh my, look, you taste it.
News.
Is that off-ball from that one gonna work up here?
I don't know. Wasn't one.
I know man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Next on the Family Who Builds. This F channel that's up here.
Okay.
Take that down from this corner all the way down this back side. There you go. Now hold, guys. Hold. Hold. Okay.
Oh, you want them that way?
Yep.
Okay. It's right on the, it's right there. You know what I mean? If you grab up on that ladder or peek your head around here, probably even. It. Oh, sweet. Oh.
That's okay.